as promised, I will be doing a live trading of straddle and strangle, which I had explained in my YouTube channel. So if you have not seen the channel, you can click on the link which is given in the description below. Today I was not able to do a live trading because the live feature in my YouTube channel will be activated in another 24 hours. So probably from next time I will be able to do a live trading. Okay. In options trading, to be successful, you should have a backup plan. Yes, it is easy to tell to buy something and if it goes, you will be making profit, or sell something and if it falls, you will be making profit. But the main question what you should be asking is, what if it doesn't happen? So in the strategies what we are discussing and doing it live here, the backup plan is martingale strategy. The catch here is you should pump money. The more you will be able to pump money, the more adjustments you will be able to do. So the day you run out of money, you will have to put a stop loss, take a beating and come out. So this is the overview of the strategy. The in-depth analysis of the strategy is given in the video. So I suggest you guys view that video once and then see how I will be implementing it. So let's do the trade live in my terminal. So now I will be executing a strangle trade in the weekly expiry. So let's open the Zerodha chart and see what is Nifty trading it. So today we have made an all-time high. So Nifty has reached 15,435 plus, which was the previous all-time high, and we have made a massive move from 15,000 to 15,400. I was telling in my blog and other places that if 15,000 is broken, then we can move higher very quickly. So we have broken the all-time high. Now there might be some consolidation because there will be little jittery when all-time highs are reached, but any dip should be used as a buying opportunity. So for this weekly expiry, I will be doing an strangle strategy and I'll be doing straddle strategy for the monthly expiry. So currently Nifty is trading at 15,425, which is approximately 15,400. So we will be selling strangle 300 points away from the spot. So let's go to my terminal. It is 15,100 put and 15,700 call. So let's sell both of them. So I'll be selling 2 lots. Okay. So this is my account. So I have placed the trade of call. I have placed the trade for the call. So now I'll be placing trade for the put. Okay, so we have placed the trade. So let's go to the terminal and check what is the status. Cool. So you can see that we have sold 1500 put at 26 and 15,700 call at 23. So which is fine. So let's see how it will move for the week. Based on that, I will be doing adjustment. I will not be able to share a live trade of the adjustment what I do because I myself don't know when I will be doing an adjustment. I might be doing it today, I might be doing it Monday, or I might not even do the adjustment. But whenever I do an adjustment, I will share the trade in my blog, in my Telegram, in my Twitter and in my Facebook. So do follow me everywhere so that you will get an update as soon as I do an adjustment trade. After this weekly expiry, I will be doing a video to show what is the status of the trade which we have taken. Okay. Okay. Now I have done strangle. So in the monthly expiry, let's do straddle. Okay. So let me go to the monthly expiry. Okay. So I'll delete this from the watch list. So we will be executing straddle at 15,400. So 15,400 call, 15,400 put. Okay, so we have a premium of approximately 298 and 239. So the total premium is around 540, the combination of both. So we have a range of plus or minus 540. So let me just sell both of them. So I'll be doing one lot for this monthly expiry. Okay, so put is sold, call also will be sold. Cool. So let's go to my admin positions and check what is the result. So I have applied the filter here, and you can see that we have sold 540 put at 239, and I have sold 400 call at 299. So we have approximately collected 540. Okay. So let's see how Nifty will move for this month. Today is the first day of the monthly expiry, also the first day of the weekly expiry, where I have taken both the trade to show you. After this monthly expiry, I will be doing a video to show what has happened to the trade which we took. So I hope you guys like the video. Do like and share and subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more about trading and investment. Thank you for watching.